Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify easy winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. So it leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI technology are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money trades. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. I want you guys to see how today is August the 28th, wrapping up the summer here. Top of the board at tradealgo.com. Our AI is detecting a massive 222% increase in institutional bullish pressure into CVNA, which is Carvana. So we're not surprised that the stock moves nearly 8% as a result. If you don't know what institutional bullish pressure means, no worries. We'll get to that here in just a second. Look at this massive move up that Carvana made throughout the day. Now, it's important to get information down here instead of hearing about it over here. So how do we get it down here? By following market makers' transactions, who are typically the ones affecting the price move in the first place. You can see here that what our machine learning technology is detecting is that typically behind closed doors, by large market makers, only $151 million of Carvana stock has been traded over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, $338 million. So it's over almost over 150 million extra dollars than it would normally get in a fraction of the amount of time. So no surprises the stock is making such a large directional move. But again, it's important to get that information early, which is why we follow market makers and why our technology is able to identify at 9:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time 1.57 times the institutional bullish pressure that's normally seen there. If you were to have done call options on Carvana, look at this nice list of triple-digit returns. Even in a day in which the market was almost completely flat, not a lot of price action was happening, and the SPY is barely moving, for example, there are still great opportunities. They're just harder to find, which means you need the technology even more. Let's go to the 3-minute chart because we know where AI picked it up at 9:43. This is the 9:42 candle. Options were priced anywhere between about 115 to 130. You can see that there is a nice entry range here from about 9:42 to about 10, a nice 25-minute window. Let's say you got in at the very top at $1.30. Still an opportunity to make a triple-digit return. It's not about timing it perfectly, though. It's about getting the data down here so you're not chasing it over here, as we kind of drew on the chart earlier. And there was more than a triple-digit return to be made throughout the course of the day. And it wasn't just Carvana. There were other opportunities as well. We don't have time to go through all of them, though. So let's take a look at just one more today. We have GNS with nearly a 1,400% increase in bullish volume. So no surprises, the stock is up nearly 12% as a result. What our machine learning technology is detecting is that typically over a 7-day average, less than 10 million is traded in GNS by institutions and private exchange networks. Today was nearly 135 million. Massive increase. So let's go ahead and take a look at the TradeAlgo Alerts tab. You can see GNS right here at 9:43 a.m. with almost 14 times the average amount of institutional bullish pressure. You can actually also see Carvana right up here as well. Our program keeps tabs on everything and identifies. If we go to the options chain and the September the 15th expiration date, you can see there's a lot of volume and open interest and a nice list of triple-digit returns there as well. Let's go to the $3 call option. And we're just going to stick with the 15-minute candle here. We know our AI picked it up at 9:43. We're just going to stick with a 9:45 candle. 30 cents per contract at its maximum, over 75 cents for a 150% return. And again, look at this great opportunity to enter the trade. It's not about getting in at the exact moment and at the exact top, but there's plenty of time to enter the trade, plenty of profit to be made, and it's about getting the data early so you can react quicker and be potentially more profitable as a result. For example, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until, I don't know, nearly 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you got out over here at a bad exit. That's still a 72% return in a day where the market was completely flat. That would be a huge win. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.